We can always stay a little longer. We don't have a plan. Just let me live a little younger than I really am.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Arlyne Sanjines. I am so pumped for today's video. I'm going to be showing you guys a ton of Amazon decor. I've seen these videos go around where people talk about a lot of their Amazon essentials, which I do have, by the way. So let me know after you guys watch this video if you guys would want to see like an Amazon essentials. But for this particular video, I'm going to be showing you guys home decor because I realize that I have a lot of home decor that I've purchased from Amazon. So I'm not going to ramble too much. I'm going to show you guys all the things. A lot of them are pretty recent since we've moved in. I've purchased quite a few things from Amazon to put in my home. So if you guys end up enjoying it, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you're not subscribed already. Also turn on your post notifications. And also make sure you guys check out the description box because I will have links to everything down below. So yeah, let's start with all the decor. Okay, so starting in my entryway, one of the first things I got is this runner. So I looked everywhere for a runner that had like blacks and whites, and literally obviously Amazon was like one of the only places that I was able to find it, and super affordable. It was like under $40. So remember, I will have links to everything down below, so make sure you guys do check that out. But it's not like the most amazing quality ever, but I feel like it does the job. Does it not look so pretty? It's like the perfect length. It looks so good here. Do you like it, Weston?
I love it.
Are you just saying that?
Ties this little entry together. No,
yeah,
I like it.
It really does. I needed more blacks. I had way too much gold and stuff going on, so this one is perfect. So, okay, let's move this way.
This is me walking on the carpet.
The next thing, come along over here. Right here. So this shelf, you guys, I looked again, high and low for a shelf exactly like this. I wanted one that you actually like nail into the wall. I'd seen some of the other ones, they're called like ladders, so they actually like start small and then go down bigger at the bottom. I wanted one that was completely like even and uniform in size. This is the one that I found on Amazon again for, I think it was a little over 100, so pretty good pricing. And I love it. And it was like, I was trying to find one with the black hardware here and then the dark brown shelves.
Plus we had the space right here, so we wanted something to like fill in.
Yeah, initially I thought I was gonna do another like little mini side table right here, but I'm so glad I did this shelf because I think it looks really pretty. I think it looks so cute. It adds so much more to this whole space over here. So yeah, that was the other thing I got. Okay, let's move on to this right here. These chairs here, we've had for like 6 months. I got them right before we moved out of our last place. And at first I wasn't crazy about them. I'm still not crazy about them actually, but they are really cute. Like if this is the look that you're going for, which is what I thought I wanted, then they're pretty and they're cute and they're just like a tufted chair. Can you see how they're like tufted? Yeah. And I looked everywhere for like a creamy color. The reason I guess I'm not so crazy about them is because I wanted them to match these chairs and they don't match perfectly. But I guess that's kind of what happens when you buy chairs separately.
Yeah, and you were on the hunt to find matching chairs. So
and they were super affordable too. That was the other thing. They were something super affordable. I'll have to go through my orders and find them. I want to say it was like $100 for like a 2-pack. So super good. Oh, okay. Let's move on to one of my favorite things of this entire place. The handles. Of course, I went on Amazon and I found these right away, and they had so many different sizes, so you can literally just measure from hole to hole and then find the exact size that you need. And these ones are like a matte black. They're not like the absolute best quality, but they're good enough. Like nobody would be able to know. And I think they're like $3 each or maybe even a little less. So for every single handle in the kitchen, it was like a little under $100. So literally I transformed the entire look of the kitchen into like a kind of modern look like this for under $100 because we had silver, or what are they, silver?
Yeah, it was silver before.
We had silver pulls before and I wasn't crazy about that look. They didn't stand out. This contrast here, it has been so in too. Like the blacks and whites have been so in. So I felt like literally investing $100 into something like this, and it looks so good. And how long did it take me to do all the handles?
Super quick, especially since I taught you the drill trick.
Yeah, I didn't know how to use a drill at first. And then I used the drill, yes. It took me like an hour or two to do the entire kitchen. And I did it myself. Like, that's how easy it is to do.
You just zzz, zzz.
Yeah, it's really easy. Okay, and then there's still 2 more things I want to show you guys. Okay, let's go this way. The next thing I want to talk about is kind of like a hack almost, something. I don't know why it took me this long to figure out and think of this. Okay, in the past, we've had old pillows and stuff, like Weston knows this. I'll just throw them out. If they're like out of season or if I just don't like the style anymore, I throw it out, I donate them. And we have a bunch of old ones from our old place. Then I went on Amazon, I was trying to find pillows that were more affordable than the ones you find at Target that are like $20, $30 each. And I found a ton of pillow covers. And I was like, okay, I'm gonna try these out. So I bought a few. They came in, the quality is so good. You would never know. These are literally pillow covers, and I put old...
Wait a second, our old pillows are in there?
Yeah, you don't even know it. Look, like old pillows are in here.
I didn't even realize that, honestly.
I
This
know.
is my, you never told me that.
I know, I didn't have
I thought
to
you
tell
bought new pillows.
No, I didn't have to tell you, like, and they look so good.
I've been sleeping on those things.
Yeah, they look so good. And
Watching movies on those things.
They're actually really good quality. And the crazy thing is, I think most of these are from different sellers, and all of them were great quality. And all of them had great zippers and stuff. Like, I was like shoving the pillow in, and I thought the zipper might break. None of them broke. This one's probably my favorite one, actually. And I wish you guys can actually feel it. It's like a super thick, good quality pillow with like the little pom-poms or tassels here. And I think it's so cute. Like, have you felt how thick this is?
Yeah, touch the screen, guys. Touch the screen and rub it.
Touch it and rub it.
Rub it up.
Yeah. So, yeah. And pricing, I think it was like a 2-pack for $20. So, for $20, you get 2 pillows. Normally, you pay at least $20 for each pillow. So, really, really good.
And then,
an amazing price.
I just want to hit back to that ladder over there. Look at how much it ties in the room over there.
Yeah,
Dang.
it looks so cute, huh?
It looks really
so
good. I really do like that.
Okay, the very, very last thing that I want to share with you guys that's like a home decor thing that I bought recently also is I was looking for curtain rods. So I got these black ones with just pretty simple black knobs on the end, and you'd be surprised. These little things make a huge difference. And the reason I realized that is because we toured some of the model homes, and I was like kind of looking at all the little details that they did. And a lot of them did like the black curtain rods. And I feel like that makes such a big difference with white curtains. There's just like a good contrast there. And I've told you guys that I'm doing a lot of the blacks and whites. So yeah, that was like pretty easy, simple. And I think they look so good. They stand out against the white. Like, it's a good contrast. Okay, so that is all of the Amazon decor for this video. Let me know what you guys thought of all of these things. I am obsessed with everything that I got, and I can't believe everything was so affordable. I actually kind of got this idea when my sister texted me asking me for my Amazon Prime for Whole Foods, and I was like, wait, you don't have Prime? Like, how do you not live with Prime? And then I was like, I buy furniture from Prime. I buy anything that I can think of that I can't find anywhere. I will go on Amazon because I'll know I'll get it in 2 days. It's usually pretty good quality. Like, if you don't live with Amazon Prime, let me know how you do it because I use it all the time, So yeah, make sure you guys do check out the description box down below because everything that I talked about in the video will be linked down below. But yeah, that's gonna be it. Give this video a thumbs up if you guys enjoyed it. Subscribe, turn on your post notifications. Also follow me on Instagram. I've been posting a ton there. Yeah, that's it. I love you guys, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.